Psalm 38 is another example of David's remarkable openness with God. As you leaf through the Psalms, you find David, when he's overjoyed, he shares that with God. When he's frightened and on the run, he lifts that which is on his mind and in his heart that particular day in his own special way as he sings his heart and his life to the Lord. In Psalm 38, he is overcome by his own sinfulness, painfully aware of the ways in which he has let God down. He makes statements like, "Please don't punish me when you're mad. My wrongdoings stack higher than my head. My wounds reek. They're infected because of my own stupidity. I have no one else to blame for the situation in which I find myself. I'm worn out. My bones feel crushed under the weight of what I know is my own wrongdoing. Gracious Lord, come to me. God, do not let me down when I am down. Though I deserve something very different, Lord, please lift me again." Loved ones and friends, they keep their distance, but I'm waiting for you. Come quickly and help. If this is that sort of day for you, if you find yourself confronted and overwhelmed by the ways in which you have turned your back on family, friends, God, things that you know are right, why not share that with God? Get it off your chest. It isn't that God is not aware. It's just somehow as you lift these things, even burdens that you deserve to bear, from your shoulders onto God's, it opens the way to forgiveness. Because the God whom David begs to act on his behalf has promised us that he will. This is Ben Moore from West Highlands United Methodist Church with a thought for your day, just another way of reaching out in this season of separation. Thank you.